Hey Toolerinos, I've got a little mail call video to do here. This first item was sent to me by Big Vic, as I'm sure you all know him, Big Vic, and it's kind of a mess of a thing. It smells burnt. It's kind of strange, but I'm not sure if what's in it is what this packaging was originally for. But it is another vintage hex drive socket set. So it has seen better days. It's a bit rusty, but it is mostly here. So I'm a bit excited to have another one to work on and research and try to complete the set. Though this one's going to need a replacement. It's split. And the ratchet handle does work. I don't see any markings on the ratchet handle. Let's see if there's anything on here. It says made in the USA. Oh, have to research that a little bit more, but thanks, Big Vic. And then this rather heavy box came from Resto Rob, and I have no idea what's in it. I had was not expecting anything. So let's see what's in it, and you guys are gonna see same time as me here. If I can get it open without hurting myself. If my voice sounds a little off, it's because I've got COVID, and I had a positive test a couple days ago, and seemed to be on the mend pretty quickly. I was vaccinated, so hopefully it makes it a nice mild case, as it appears to be. So let's see what we got. Oh my. A lot of stuff. Alright, I'm going to slide this over and I'll just start putting them out. We've got a Barkalow Buffalo needle wrench. Another Barkalow Buffalo. This one's in great shape. This is like a bushing. Not sure what that's for, but I might find a use for it. It's another bushing. Another Barkalow. And another one. Either Resto Rob had an awful lot of these, or he has decided he's not going to collect them. I don't know which. Nice big pipe tap, 1/2 inch. Oh, there's so much in here. I'm not sure what this is. It says 1/4 inch. If it's a small short punch, it has a patent number. So we'll look that up. Boy, there's a lot in here. Got a nice push drill. Nice action. Stanley Yankee number 41Y, made in USA. Nice. Thanks, Resto Rob. A homemade extra leverage hex wrench. Cool. I like homemade modified tools. A railroad spike. Direct from Michigan, I guess. Another that's a T-handle for a valve, maybe for a acetylene bottle or something. Oh my, some heavy duty cutting steel. Rex AAA. Some more cutting steel. Some more cutting tools. Fast cut end mill. I know a machinist who might like to have these. Huh. That's weird. It is a socket that has been turned down so it has a thinner wall, probably to fit in some tight spot. Interesting. Wow. Another giant cutter. Interesting. More cutters. These smaller ones might be able to use on my lathe if I get it up and running. And more high-speed steel. Must have got quite a haul somewhere. Split bushing. A non-split bushing. A really big bushing. Oh my. Can you read that? Tishken Detroit? That's clearly a machine tool. Oh, it's a boring bar. I think it's a boring bar. Cool. A mystery tube. A very sharp tool in it. Bossed bronze. Pretty impressive cutter. And I have no idea what these are. Some kind of blocks for testing something that was being manufactured. I don't know. If anybody knows what those would be used for, let me know in the comments. That's quite the mail call haul there. Well, thank you very much, Big Vic, for the socket set, and for Resto Rob for this plethora of variety of things. I'm sure quite a few of these are going to get passed on to Matt Nash. Hopefully he can find a use for them. And otherwise, some cool things to add to my tools. So, thanks a lot. There we go.